Advantages of industrial endoscopes. Compared with human eye detection, industrial endoscopes have great advantages. Non-destructive testing. There is no need to disassemble the equipment or destroy the original structure, and can be inspected directly with an endoscope. Efficient and fast. The endoscope is light and portable, easy to operate, and can effectively save time and improve detection efficiency in situations where rapid detection is required. Video imaging. The inspection results of endoscopes are intuitively visible, and videos and pictures can be stored through memory cards to facilitate monitoring and control of product quality, safe operation of equipment, etc. No blind spots in detection. The detection probe of the endoscope can be turned at any angle of 360 degrees without blind spots, which can effectively eliminate blind spots when detecting surface defects in the cavity of an object. It can be viewed from multiple angles to avoid missing inspections. Not limited by space, the pipeline of the endoscope can pass through areas that cannot be directly reached by humans or cannot be directly seen by sight, and can observe the inside of objects with high temperature, high pressure, radiation, toxicity, and insufficient light.